be 9 a.m. Today is Monday, October 25th. And I'm going to call the Commissioners Court to order this morning. The first thing on our agenda this morning is going to pledge allegiance to the flag, and that will be followed by the invocation led by Commissioner Kelly. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Let's pray. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this day, Lord, and we thank you for the mercy, grace, and the daily bread you give us each and every day. Lord, I ask that you protect our first responders and our military, Lord, and we just want you to be with us during this time, and we go for our agenda items. And Lord, I want to claim James 1, verse 5, and just give us the wisdom that we need to carry out this business. We pray in your most precious name. Amen.
All right, next up we have a county auditor's report. The minutes, oh, I missed the minutes. Okay, well, let's approve the minutes for a regular meeting of October the 8th, 2021, and our special meetings of October the 8th, 21, and October 15th, 21. Everybody's had an opportunity to read over these minutes. So I'll be entertaining a motion to approve these minutes.
I'll make a motion.
Commissioner Daniels makes a motion. Do I have a second?
Second.
Commissioner Kelly seconds. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Motion carries. Okay, now we have our auditors.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The only thing I have today is a line item transfer, and it's for Constable 1 from his conference seminars and dues in the amount of $580.78, and also from his radio maintenance of $750 to his office supplies for $1,330.78.
Okay, do I hear a motion to approve the line item transfer for Constable 1 in the amount of $1,330.78? Commissioner Kelly makes a motion. Do I hear a second? Commissioner King seconds. All in favor say aye. Motion carries.
That's all I have. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, next up is the treasurer's report.
I have the financial report for the month ending September 30th, 2021. The monthly closing balance is $23,694,996.98. I hereby certify that this report is true and correct and request that you place it in the minutes.
Okay. Do I hear a motion to approve the financial report through the end of September in the amount of $23,694,996.98? Commissioner Kelly makes a motion. Do I hear a second? Commissioner Daniels seconds. All in favor say aye. Aye. Motion carries.
Okay. The next item I have is the affidavit just stating that the court has received, reviewed, and approved the financial report to be placed in the newspaper.
Okay, then I need a motion to allow the treasurer to place the financial report for publication in the paper. Commissioner King makes a motion, do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Commissioner Daniels second. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Motion carries.
Okay, guys. My next item is the investment portfolio. For the quarter ending September 30th, if I could direct you to the third page. The overall interest is $24,863.99. And I just need a motion and a second to approve this financial.
What was the amount of that again?
I'm sorry, $24,863.99.
Okay, just to be clear. Okay, you've heard the amount of investment portfolio. Do I hear a motion to approve the investment portfolio as read by the county treasurer?
I'll make the motion.
Commissioner Daniels makes a motion. Do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Commissioner Kelly seconds. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Okay, Commissioner King will abstain, so all in favor say aye. Aye. Motion carries.
I'll have it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next up will be the county judge. Judge Law's unable to be here, by the way, this morning. He's gone to training. The first thing on his agenda will be to approve the resale deeds of some lots in Petersburg. We have two parcels of land. Parcel 13803 with the winning bidder being Annabelle Ramos in the amount of $2,501. The other parcel is parcel 18469. The winning bidder for that parcel is Eberto Campos Jr., I believe I said that right, for the amount of $2,557. And the money has been received and is still for waiting for our approval. So I would entertain a motion to approve the sale of those properties. Commissioner King makes a motion. Do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Commissioner Kelly seconds. All in favor say aye. Motion carries. Next up will be the city nomination for the county appraisal district. Do we have any interested parties in being on that board? We have 12, we're eligible for 13. The 12 we have on there now are Kyle Benson, Lionel Garcia, Marilyn Diggs, John Buscati, Susan Blackerby, Ron Johnson, Benny Campbell, Marilyn Coulter, Lenore Espinosa, J. Ray Sagister, Lorena Flores, and Larry Williams. I would entertain a motion to reappoint these board members that read. We're nominating them? Okay, then we'll nominate. We'll nominate them. And this will be for a 2-year term. There are some stipulations, requirements to be on this board. One of them is you have to live here for 2 years prior to being appointed, and the other one is not knowing yet back taxes. So anyway, I would make a motion to approve these as read. Commissioner King makes a motion, do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Commissioner Daniels seconds. All in favor, say aye. Aye. Motion carries. Next on the judge's agenda would be for the fiscal year 22-23, an interlocal agreement with the Public Defender's Office. This has to do with, for capital cases. My understanding of it, it's something we've done the last few years. It's kind of an insurance for the county. Capital cases are very expensive to try, and can create a big burden on the county. We take this out, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Melinda, don't the county pay approximately $14,000 a year or so for this?
And it's probably in there, that's what I was looking for real quick, so you would know exactly what the dollar amount is. Okay, there we go, that's what I was looking for, thank you, Jill. The amount that, Hale County pays is $14,949. And we do pay that annually, so.
Each year.
So this is a 2-year agreement, and we will pay it both years.
Well, the indigent defense for a capital case can easily exceed $1 million. I know we have one neighbor in the county that has 4 pending right now. So, I would entertain a motion to adopt this. Is this a resolution?
No, this is the interlocal.
The next one's a resolution. Okay, I would entertain a motion to renew this agreement with the Public Defender's Board and allow the Texas Indigent Defense Commission for 2022 a grant request application. This application will allow the county to be eligible to recover some of their funds for indigent defense. And this one had a resolution with it, but I find my copy. The indigent defense grant. Whereas under the provisions of the Texas Government Code Section 79.037 and Texas Administrative Code Chapter 173, counties are eligible to receive grants from the Texas Indigent Defense Commission to provide improvements in indigent defense services in the county. And whereas this grant will assist the county in the implementation and improvement of the indigent criminal defense services in this county. And whereas the county commissioners court has agreed that in the event of loss or misuse of the funds, Hale County Commissioners assures that the funds will be returned in full to the Texas Indigent Defense Commission. Now therefore be it resolved that in order that the county judge of this county is designated as the authorized official to apply for, accept, decline, modify, or cancel the grant application for the Indigent Defense Formula Grant Program and all other necessary documents to accept that grant. And be it further resolved that the county auditor is designated as the financial officer for this grant. motion to adopt this resolution. Do they not have a number on it?
It will have as soon as y'all approve it and the clerk will assign.
Okay, do I hear a motion to accept this resolution, to adopt this resolution? Commissioner Daniels makes a motion, do I hear a second?
I carefully printed out my agenda and then left it in my office, yes, so I don't know what order I'm going in. The first thing I have is, for you to consider whether you want to participate in the global opioid, I don't know why it's so hard for me to say that. Maybe I did take a couple of opioids. Loosen my tongue a little bit, but, opioid settlement that the Texas Attorney General's office has negotiated with, there's like 4 distributors and then Johnson & Johnson as a manufacturer, and they will pay funds into a sheet that I pulled offline from the Attorney General's website about this deal. It says we would get $79,100